So that is the Ford Silver Jubilee 7810, sitting pretty much ready to go. Looking at there, one owner from new, and the man owner, not too sure of the hours, maybe 6,000 hours on it or something. The man that bought the tractor worked it all his life, and they sort of like has retired, wanted to put his tractor back to new again. Not too sure whether she'll do much work or not, like, but so the man wanted the Silver Jubilee, like new again. She wasn't really bad. She was at a stage I thought that she did need tidied up. So she's all looking. The advance still got original stickers, which she would have had from new on. Inside the cab's pretty much like new too. The only thing she got new was the padding along the side of the mudguards, seat re-trimmed, an armrest repaired, and all the rest is much of her own. This one here has been painted like a silver, a straight silver, sort of like a satin silver, the way they should be, I think anyway. So when the bar in the back's all nice and tidy, she does look well, all the gold anodizing, bits and pieces like that on her. She's sitting on, I wouldn't say original Goodyear rubber, like, but that's the size of tyres what should be on her. 18.4s by 38s. Very hard to come by now, them tyres, if you would even get them with the likes of that old style writing on them. So I'll take a wee bit of a run here if she starts. See what she goes like. Digital dash, it's working well on her. She's even got original radio. Most of the tractors that have the original radios in them, the wires be cut and somebody changes the radio in them. This tractor has still got the original plugs on the back. My little clock on the roof is not working, but not much I can do about that. I did try searching a few places for one. Oh dear. I think I need a battery charger on her. So basically she's ready to go. Still one left, one last job to do is like blend her and spray cavity wax around her. Just it might help eliminate a little bit of rust that never comes back on her again. It's really sweet, this tractor here. She has a turbo on her. Turbo went on to her maybe about 6 months after being new. It's hard to beat that wee bit of extra power. She's run pretty good, I'd say. The last 10 years of her life, she's been sitting in some mechanic shed. She went away to get an engine rebuild and it took 10 years to do it. So obviously the boy was no big panic to get it done. Still on her exhaust pipe too. Never how to manage to save it, like getting rotten. Starting off in 4th gear, there's a bit tough on her. Got down into turning. Get my way a bit better. And she's on. Pretty good. So the kind of tractor now I would like to get into for a day or two and do a bit of dump filler work, something like that. See what she actually does go like with a turbo on her. She's going to be a lively machine. I've been told now she's putting out over like 130 horsepower in the shaft. Farmer says it's a very fit machine. One of the good bits about my job is you get to drive out in all these new tractors. So really good luck on this tractor also. That's it. That is the Summer Jubilee. Little dashboards. Not that I know a lot about them, but it's got the radar, got the area, slip, time and area. I don't know what all that other crack's about. And then you've got your fuel gauge, you've got your battery level here and your oil pressure and your water temperature. And then on your rev clock along this top line here, I'm not too sure it is, but the more I rev her, the more the bars come, so obviously that must be reading the revs. And the hours on her is 6,633. So it wasn't far down. There they are. Silver Jubilee 7810. One of the most original ones I've done yet so far.